Welcome to our YouTube channel Market Master Opinion. In this episode, we are going to discuss reason of robust upward movement of Solara Active Pharma share price. On October 22, 2019, share price of Solara Active Pharma was quoting at around 413. Within a span of 12 months, share price rose and touched about rupees 1157. Investor holding this stock within 12 months, share price become more than double. Solara was formed in 2018 as a result of the demerge of the API business of Stride and Sequent Pharmaceutical. The intention was to be a pure play API company with portfolio of over 50 plus molecules and two state-of-the-art research centers supported by 6 large-scale multi-product facilities. It has the potential to seize the opportunity emerging from the diversification away from China. The company's sales rose 5.53% year-on-year to rupees 348.42 crore in the quarter ended June 2020, while the net profit rose 59.43% to rupees 42.28 crore. Now, question comes to investor mind. Is it the right time to purchase Solara Active Pharma share at rupees 1157? It is very difficult to give straight answer to this question. Before searching the answer, let's analyze why this stock price abnormally gone up. Supply chain disrupted due to COVID-19 coupled with the Indo-China border tension have brought to the fore the risks in depending on one geography, China, for active pharmaceutical ingredients API and key starting material KSM. Both global and domestic drug companies are looking to diversify sourcing of API and KSM from China. An API is the active molecules that gives a drug its formation, while KSM are key raw material used in the manufacturing of APIs. The Indian government, meanwhile, recently announced a production-linked incentive scheme for 53 critical bulk drugs to encourage domestic production. However, it may take some time for the scheme to be rolled out. Companies such as Solara Active Pharma, with a huge API business, that stand to potentially benefit from the shift. Solara Active Pharma has become the alternative for many drug makers looking to diversify their sourcing from China. For instance, a large API market that depends heavily on China for intermediate API said it has tied up with Solara Active Pharma. The company attributed the API segment's performance to both volume growth and good realization in selling price. Solara Active Pharma saw good demand for API for various drugs before COVID. Traditionally, China is the major supplier of these drugs. Many FII, FPI or institutions are increasing their shareholding with the stock showing strong momentum. This is the reason for abnormal upward movement of Solara Active Pharma stock price. Moving average of this company bullish, technical indicator bullish, moving average crossover bullish. Going forward, we feel this stock has potential to go up further. Risk factor is any change in API supply policy with China can hit the business growth of Solara Active Pharma. Plus point of Solara Active Pharma is Government of India encouraging bulk drug domestic production. If this scenario continue, share price of Cellora Active Pharma business will increase many-fold. This will reflect share price movement positively. In every dip accumulate this stock, it has immense potential to give multiple return. In this episode, we have expressed our views only. Investment decision is completely yours. If you like our video, kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching our channel.